how to add Amazon gift card to Cash App. So you cannot add an Amazon gift card directly to Cash App, but there are ways to use the money from your gift cards on Cash App. So actually we have two methods. The method number one, sell the Amazon gift cards for cash. So go to gift card exchange websites like Cash Card or Raise or any exchange website that you use. And after that, sell your Amazon gift card and choose PayPal or bank transfer as the payment method. And after that, once you get the money, open the Cash App and tap add cash and transfer the money from your bank or PayPal to Cash App. The method number two, buy a Visa gift card from your Amazon gift card. So you use the Amazon gift card to buy a Visa gift card from Amazon. Now, once you get the Visa gift card, open the Cash App, and after that, tap on your profile icon, then go to linked banks, and after that, tap add card and enter your Visa gift card details. And after that, and finally, now you can use the Visa gift card or card balance in Cash App. And there is the easy ways to use the Amazon gift cards with Cash App. This is how to add Amazon gift card to Cash App. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.